You are handsome like me. And I am not stupid like you. You are stupid, okay? And don't disturb me. I am going to teach. Hello, my dear friends. I am Rizwan Khan from our YouTube channel, Our Language School. Yes, we are fighting because he was saying why you are not making video to teach people how to say like me, like you, like him, like her, because these phrases we use while we do gossip. Okay, so guys, you have to watch this video till the end and you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press bell icon, please. Why? If you will press bell icon so that you can get notifications of my new uploaded videos, and we can also become friends. You should follow my Instagram and my Facebook page. Please, I'm doing so much effort and please, I'm doing so much efforts to make video and to teach you Hindi. So please give like to my video. So guys, let's start learning Hindi through English. First, if you want to say like all of you, like all of you. If you are in family, you want to say I am sweet like all of you. Like all of you, तुम लोगों की तरह, तुम लोगों की तरह. And if you are saying with elder one, then you have to say आप लोगों की तरह, आप लोगों की तरह, आप लोगों की तरह. And next, like me, you are intelligent, तुम होशियार हो, तुम होशियार हो, like me. मेरी तरह, like me, मेरी तरह, मेरी तरह, मेरी तरह, मेरी तरह, तरह, तरह. And next, like you. He said to me, I am not stupid like you. मैं मूर्ख नहीं हूँ, मैं मूर्ख नहीं हूँ. I am not stupid, मैं मूर्ख नहीं हूँ. Like you. तुम्हारी तरह, तुम्हारी तरह, तुम्हारी तरह. And if you want to pay respect, then you have to say आपकी तरह, आपकी तरह, तरह, आपकी तरह. And next, like him and like her. That is easy in Hindi. You can use it for both. उसकी तरह, उसकी तरह, उसकी तरह, उसकी तरह, उसकी तरह. And next, like us, like us. हम लोगों की तरह, हम लोगों की तरह, हम लोगों की तरह. And you can also say हमारी तरह, हमारी तरह, हमारी तरह, 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 तरह. And if you want to refer a group of people like them, then you can say उन लोगों की तरह, उन लोगों की तरह. Repeat after me, please. उन लोगों की तरह, उन लोगों की तरह. And next, like this. The sweet will be delicious like this. Then like this, इसकी तरह, इसकी, इसकी तरह, इसकी तरह, इसकी तरह. And next, if there are so many sweets, then you can say इनकी तरह, इनकी तरह, like this, इनकी तरह, इनकी तरह, इनकी तरह. And if that sweet is little bit far, then you can say like those, like those, उनकी तरह, उनकी तरह, उनकी तरह, उनकी तरह, उनकी तरह. So I hope you understand, and if you have watched this video carefully and if you really understand, then you can give me answer how to say in Hindi like me, like you and like him. And I will wait for your answer in comment box. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video and I will wait for you on my Instagram and Facebook page. So guys, see you in next video. Bye. Please, all my dear friends, do not forget to like my video because your like is a big motivation for me, and I want to help so many people of the world for learning Hindi. So do not forget to share my video with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook. Please don't forget to press red button to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon for getting notifications of my new uploaded videos.